Here in the Eastgate Theatre, the stage is set for big changes. Plans have now been announced on a major fundraising campaign to raise up to £2 million to improve the size and layout of the popular centre. The theatre building started life as a 19th century church. In 2002, over £2.5 million worth of funding was raised to give the building a new lease of life as a centre for the arts. The church's original front can still be seen.
That is the old front entrance of the church. Because of the change in levels, that had to be blocked off in the original scheme. We're not reopening it, but we are moving things away from behind it so that people can look in and people can appreciate that there is something going on in the theatre. And what we're going to be doing is building up at the back to create another floor, doing some internal changes so that when you come into the building, it's not as confused as it is at present. Give them more space to do more things with, for Peebles.
The theatre is the busiest arts venue in the Borders, and with record attendees across more than 200 events held here last year, growth in demand is putting pressure on the building.
We find now that we have more demands than we can meet, and more people want to use the building than we can readily accommodate. So we're looking to the future. We think this is a great opportunity to imagine what else we could do in the 15 years ahead. And so we've worked with architects, Simpson and Brown, to look at ways of developing the building on quite a small footprint, but packing a lot into a small space.
Theatre bosses want the public to be able to have their say on the development and have displayed the plans for the project within the theatre building, including artist impressions and talks from designers and architects.
Well, it's really exciting and so needed. The theatre is really well used by all sorts of people, children to older people as well. It's pretty cramped. There are bottlenecks in the theatre. The toilets are a wee bit cramped. You've got to be a size 10 really. Disabled friendly access is really important to the theatre and to the town. Yeah, it's just a really worthwhile project.
Construction for the project is planned to begin in the summer, raising the curtain on a new and improved Eastgate Theatre. Jennifer Cordingley, ITV News, Peebles.